You are such a moron. I'm really fed up of you. You're a loser. You are a cheater. I'm not going to talk to you now. Bye. Oh, hi guys. As always, he's teaching me, and now I'm saying him like I'll not talk to you and all. Fine. And to be very honest, I'm trying not to kill him in this lockdown or this quarantine days. Like you also, I have a small brother or a younger brother. I should not say him a brother. He's not even a brother. He's just a monkey or a moron. Fine. I'm his elder sister and still he teases me. He just have this work of teasing me. He does it very, very nicely. So anyway, he doesn't deserve to be talked about. Yes, so just talk about Raksha Bandhan. As we all sisters know that Raksha Bandhan is approaching, and we like it so much because we get lot of gifts, lots of money, like green notes, pink notes. So in India, all homes celebrate this Raksha Bandhan in miscellaneous ways, but all the ways have common is that all the sisters tie rakhi in their brothers' wrist, and they give, and in turn those dirty brothers give some gifts that we really enjoy, but in turn they also give one promise that they will always support us and will always remain with us. But when the time comes, वो तो अपनी promise से ही मुकर जाता है. And sometimes I have to support him. So I want to tell you a story about me and my brother. One story of good memory and one story of our bad memory. So first I'll tell you the good memory story. Sorry. So first, once upon a time, our mother left us home alone, and that day was our father's birthday. It was 23 July, and we both planned, and we were planning from so many days that we will prepare a cake when mother goes out or father will not be at home. Fine. So So I immediately sent him to the market and said him to buy some ingredients for the cake, as mother is not at home and we have so much less time. We have some less time, like 1 hour only. So he should go quickly. And when he came, and I only prepared the cake with so much of my hard work. Fine. So, and father when came, he took the credit on his own. Like he said that I prepared the cake. When I disclosed in front of father, or I exposed him that I made the cake, then he said, oh, ingredients to main laya tha na. It's very bad. The main work was making the cake, which I did, and he took all the credit. That's not fair. I think you also knows this. And then comes the bad moment story, which is funny for me but bad for him, because once upon a time when our mother left his home alone, fine. And then when she left his home, I beat him so much that he cried. And when mother came home back, then he was like, oh mama, please help me, mama, please help me, she'll just kill me, she was about to kill me. And मैंने उसको बहुत थोड़ा मारा था, right? But he फिर भी वो. So this was our story, as all brothers and sisters have a good memory or a bad memory. So that's it. Bye.